In today's video, I am going to teach you how to strike through text in a PDF form in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you are reviewing a form and need to indicate that certain words or fields should be removed or ignored, a clear strike-through is one of the fastest, most universally understood ways to do it. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what to look for on screen, and share a few quick tips so your markups are easy to spot. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Give the file a moment to load so all the tools are available. If you are working with a form that has fields, that's perfectly fine. Strike-through is an annotation and won't interfere with the form structure. Next, go to the Tools tab at the top of Acrobat and choose Comment. Comment is where all the annotation tools live, including highlights, notes, and our focus today, the strike-through. When the Comment tool is active, you'll see an annotation toolbar appear, usually along the top or side of the window. Now, locate the strike-through text icon. It looks like a capital T with a line running through it. Click that icon to activate it. This tells Acrobat you are about to mark text for deletion or emphasis with a strike. With the tool active, click and drag your cursor over the exact text you want to cross out. As you drag, Acrobat will snap to text boundaries, which helps keep the markup tidy. Release the mouse, and the selected words will be crossed out. If you selected too much or too little, simply try again until the coverage looks right. If you want your markup to stand out more, click directly on the strike-through line to select it, then adjust its appearance. You can change the color to something bold, like red, to make your edits unmistakable. You can also fine-tune the opacity if you want the underlying text to remain more visible while still clearly crossed out. The goal is clarity. Choose settings that make your intent obvious to anyone reviewing the file. When you are satisfied with your markups, save the document to keep them. Saving locks in your strike-throughs so they'll appear the same way for anyone you share the file with. A quick save now prevents any accidental loss of your work later. That's it. Thanks for watching.